Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansa Queen, and in today's video I have a very refreshing and delicious drink that is best for the summer, and it is my watermelon, lemon, and ginger drink. Guys, it is so refreshing. It will keep you hydrated, and above all, it is delicious and full of nutrients that are good for your body. So if you would like to see how I put my watermelon, lemon, and ginger drink, you definitely want to keep on watching. My name is Mansa. You are welcome to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, I am happy to have you around. To begin with, you're gonna need some watermelon, of course, and don't ask me why I have the big old crack in the middle. Somebody let me know why that happened. I don't know. I just cut it and I'm like, okay, well, it was still sweet though, so we're gonna go ahead and use what we got. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up my watermelon just to get it easier for me to cut it and slice it up, and you can see that it's actually red enough and it was really sweet. So that is all you need, guys. Watermelon is so full of water. It contains lots of water and also contains some fiber as well. We all know that water and fiber are very important for digestive health, so they do help you have a free bowel movement. We also going to be going to my mini garden in my backyard to harvest some fresh mint. Guys, you can see my basil right there. Peep it girl, it's looking so pretty, and her name is pretty. Here is my mint. It is growing really well. It is thriving, and I'm actually even getting new plants that are just growing. I cannot wait to have a whole bush of mint. So we're going to be harvesting some organic mint from my backyard because it is really important for this recipe. You must have some fresh mint, guys. So here it is. I have gone ahead and washed it. It smells so good. Mint is so refreshing. It also helps with sinus relief and all of that. If you're feeling under the weather, I always add it in my tea every day. Really refreshing and has a really nice fragrance to it. It is just a very beautiful plant on its own and tastes really delicious. So again, it is a must-have in this drink. You would also need some lemons. Now you can also go with lime, but I just prefer lemons. And I'm not using all of them. I only ended up using about 2 of the lemons, but you will definitely need some lemons. It is going to bring a little bit of that acidity to the drink because watermelon tastes kind of flat. It is sweet, but it's a little flat. So the acidity from the lemon or lime, whatever you're going to be using, is going to elevate that flavor and just boost up that sweetness from the watermelon. So we are definitely going to need that. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop up my watermelon, dice them enough into smaller pieces so that it can be able to go through the feeder of my juicer. If you were interested in the juicer that I have, it is a Hamilton Beach juicer and I got it off of Amazon. I have the link in my description box if anyone is interested in checking it out. Again, I got it from Amazon and it is really powerful. I like it a lot. And I only used about half of the watermelon, by the way. So the next ingredient is going to be ginger, another key ingredient, a must-have. Ginger is packed with powerful antioxidants. It is a really delicious spice on its own when I use it to cook and all of that, but it is packed with medicinal properties, so it is really good for sinus relief, cough relief. If you're feeling under the weather, again, ginger is a must-have. It is also good for weight loss as well. So the ginger has a little bit of that kick from the spiciness, so just add as much as you can tolerate, but I'm telling you, it's gonna make all the difference in this drink. You just need a few roots, and this is my fresh ginger. I just went ahead to peel it. So here I have all my 4 major ingredients, so let's get juicing. So as you can see, I'm just alternating between the ginger and the watermelon. Because the ginger is very high in fiber, I don't want it to get stuck in the blades of my juicer. So I like to alternate. Whenever I'm doing ginger, I like to alternate it with a more less fibrous fruit. Okay, so this is what we have. This is all the watermelon. Again, I did not use the whole watermelon. I used about half to 3/4 of it, and this is all the juice I got from it. Again, it has lots of water, and if you would notice, you would see that it foams a lot. So I always like to let my juice settle, my fresh juice settle, so that all of those air bubbles will escape. So while we let a watermelon settle down, we're gonna go ahead and squeeze out a fresh lemon juice. Okay, so like I said, I only ended up using 2. The amount of lemon juice you would add will really depend on the taste you're going for. If you can handle more lemon, by all means go for it, but I would highly recommend that you add a little as you go and keep tasting it. If you need more, you can add more. It is better than adding a whole lot, because then you cannot fix it. You probably juice all the watermelon you have. So this is where I stopped. It is 2 whole lemons that I use. So my watermelon juice has been sitting. You can see that the foamy part on the top has reduced a little bit. I don't want to stir it too much, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my lemon, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give it a quick stir, and then like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. If I need more, I can go in with a little more, and if I don't need more, I can stop right there. So just make sure you are tasting it as you go, because most of these is just a matter of preference. I can't really tell you how much to use, but yeah, I ended up using the whole all the entire juice that I squeezed out of the 2 lemons, and I tasted it and it was perfect. Now this is the tip: you need that fresh mint to be infused into this juice. If you have never done it, I need you to try it. You need to put lots of that fresh mint and let it sit in that juice. Don't drain it out. Even when you're ready to put it away in the refrigerator, leave the mint leaves in there, and I promise you that taste, that flavor, and just the refreshing taste of the mint is going to make all the difference. So yes, that mint is a must-have. That is my holy grail in all of this. So please, if you have not tried it, you can try your own. You can get fresh mint from most of the grocery stores. They get the fresh mint. It is really good in this recipe. So here we go. It is all nice and done, and you can put this away in your refrigerator. You can serve it with some ice. If you don't want to use ice because it's going to eventually dilute everything, you can just actually use some of the juice and freeze it into cubes and use it instead of water. And here we are, got our beautiful presentation. Who would not love this? You would love it. Your kids will enjoy it. And this is the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Again, share my videos with your friends and family. Give me a thumbs up, and until I catch you in my next one, y'all stay safe. I love you all. Bye.